What's going on, everybody? Your buddy Swamp Ass here, and I hope all of y'all had a happy Easter. This is a couple days past Easter, but we're still celebrating out here. We're still festive. See what the Easter Bunny brought us. A bunch of crap. Anyways, so today I got a video, got a little unboxing video. My buddies over at Finntrail sent me a care package. They got in touch with me through Instagram, and they wanted to, I guess, sponsor a set of waders for me. So I put my order in, and they put some nice touches on there for me. So I know what's inside. I'm not going to tell you yet. Obviously, some sort of waders. I mean, if y'all haven't heard of Finntrail yet, if you watch Oster Cruiser, you've most definitely probably heard of them. They are supposed to be some of the best waders, if not the best waders out there in the market. Okay, and I'm going to put them to the test out here in the South. We'll see what it's like. It's starting to get a little warm out here. Is it April? End of April right now. Yeah, after Sunday, after Easter. So I don't know how long I'll be able to wear them this summer, but in the fall time, we'll be able to check them out some more. But they're supposed to be breathable, so like I said, we'll check it out and see what it's like. But here we go. Finntrail waders are supposed to be some of the nicest waders on the market, and I know Oster Cruiser uses them, and he's a pretty big name. And if they're good enough for him, they might be good enough for me. We'll see. We'll find out. All right. Oh my God, this tape is on the tight. Let's see. It's like Christmas time. Excited. What did I get? Oh my gosh. They did very good packaging. It's nice and waterproof, even though the waders are waterproof, but it's all good. No worries there. Try to hide any. You don't need to see the address on there. So let's catch some. There we go. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Oh yes, and let me take this time to say, if you haven't already, make sure you check out Finntrail Waders on Instagram and Facebook. All right. So let's see. So first off, very nice, very nice. I think these are, yes, these are the boots that I ordered. So let's see. As you can see, oh, got them all caught up in here. Excuse the technical difficulties. We'll figure this out shortly. Oh, there it is. Okay. So these are the, I don't even remember honestly. These are the runner Finntrail wader boots right here. And these are going to go over, so these waders, they have the booty socks on them, so you put the boots over that, which I like because all of my waders have torn at the boots. So I'm excited to give these a try. They got some good traction on the bottom, it looks like. So I won't be slipping around like Shorty does in his damn Crocs. All right, so there goes. There's one up there. They even came with that cool carrying bag, as you can see, which is awesome. Man, looks good. I might be wearing these to work too. Look at those. These things are freaking nice. Yeah, that's all. There we go. Look at that. Let's go. I know what we can do right here. I know what we got. Let's go and sit that right there. Is that in the shot at all?
I moved it so it's in the shot.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you, JC. I appreciate that. And of course, for the piece de resistance, or whatever you call it. I don't know if my French. Anyways, we have the Drysuit Pro. Let me get this box out the way. And, oh yeah, that's gonna fit just fine right there. And to make it even better, check this out. Y'all ready for this? Bam! Your boy's tagged right there. They hooked me up. They put my logo on the back and everything. But y'all know about that. Thank you, Finntrail. Y'all awesome. This looks great. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. I'm wearing it to work and everything. I don't care. I like that a lot. That looks awesome. I love it. So now y'all can't mistake who I am when I'm out in the trails. All right, let's see if we can figure out how to get into these things. Looks like there's a zipper up here, or Velcro. Man, these things feel good. They look good. Okay, look at this zipper over here. If you don't mind coming in on the camera. So you notice this is all Velcro down, nice and quick release. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that zipper. That's quality right there. That's real good quality. Oh my gosh. That is sealed. I like it. All right, let's see. Let's go all the way to the top. I might be able to fit my skinny ass in there. Let's see. But it looks like it's got a nice seal around the zipper on both sides. It's nice and durable. That is Really durable. I like that. It's got a hoodie on there, and you can tuck that into the little zipper in the back. And if you see right here, you got little, almost like a little gasket if you wear some gloves. Then you can put your gloves around that to keep it all watertight. Very nice touch, very nice touch. Yeah, I'm gonna keep, you know, I like to keep my tags on, so I'm gonna keep all my tags on for now. Let me empty out my pockets. Don't worry about it. Shit, don't worry. Cut that out, please. And here we go. Let's see, excuse my, it's in here. Don't mind the hole in the suck. This is how we do it around here at Swamp Bass Productions, okay? So I'm not watching the instructional video, so we'll figure this out as we go. Oh my gosh. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, that feels good. I'm wearing this morning, noon, and night. Okay, okay. It's all coming together pretty good so far. This is gonna be the hardest part, I think. Let's see. It's a little. There we go. Gotta suck it in. Suck it in a little bit. There we go. Perfect. See if we can get one of them in there. Yes. Now time for the other one. Ooh, get a little limber. Oh, where's my sleeve at? Where's my sleeve at? There it is.
Ooh.
How's it look from the back? Does it look good?
Yeah. And there you have it. Waterproof footy pajamas for the bedwetter in your life.
Might have to do a little editing right here to figure this part out.
Should have watched the video.
So my head's still got to go through.
He was a C-section, so
There we go. Now we're figuring it
new
out.
situation for him.
Is there a zipper?
No.
Okay. Oh shoot.
This is graphic. You're
Is there anything else there?
No.
Okay. Here we
You're
go.
just
We're going through. Whoa! Aha! There we go. Easy peasy, as you can see. Let's go ahead and zip this up. We'll have to do a little time lapse or something on that, just so this is my first time putting on something like this. I've never done it before. If you don't mind, I'll hold the camera. Oh, thank you.
Legit. Really cool. Almost look professional.
Almost like a professional? Would you say that this looks like a professional? As far as you said that.
I did say that. Yeah, I would absolutely say that. And you don't sound as out of breath as you normally do putting on waders, so
Oh, thank you.
that's gotta be.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Got my little belt so you can get my. You can see my figure.
Pert waistline.
How's it look? Let me get my hair out. I look good? Feel good? Finntrail waders. Make sure y'all check them out. This actually does feel really nice right now. I do like this a lot. Look at all this range of motion I got. I can't do that in regular waders.
I didn't know you could do that at all.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much. All right, let's see. Let's give these booties a try. Oh yeah, there's the booties right there. This does feel pretty damn good. I really do like it. Look how airtight that is. Look at that. That's crazy. Nothing's coming out as soon as I do that. Ooh. That is freaking awesome. That's awesome. Hello there, ladies. How y'all doing? What was that? Shorty's on the phone? Tell him he's gonna have to hold, please. I'm in the middle of something. Thank you. All right, back to what we were doing. Now we got to the boots. Like you see, these waders come with the wader booties, so you get to wear your own boots. And again, these came from Finntrail. These are the runner series. They look pretty freaking stout. And Finntrail all the way. So let's see what we got. My booty right there. Ooh, that's. I thought these shoes were a little big at first, but I think just right. Man. Who did that? Who was that? Don't worry about that. These do feel really nice and quality. Ooh, yes. I am super impressed so far with these. I do like these a lot. I didn't learn how to tie my shoes when I was a kid, so bear with me here. I do the bunny ears too. Ooh! I like it. I like it. Let's get the other one now. Oops. Oops. Pop it up here. We got a nice little handle to grab onto. So one thing I will be testing out is seeing how well these handle the suction of the mud. Because I know with my wader boots, on my regular waders, they always get ripped out. But with these right here, you don't have to worry about that. You just got to worry about your boot falling off. But I think if you tie it down well enough, you won't have to worry about that. But man, like I feel agile. I feel really good. These feel really comfortable. I can go play some soccer right now. I got a soccer ball.
Right there.
Yeah, soccer ball.
You have half of a soccer ball.
Oh man, these feel really good. Like I have a whole lot of motion right now. Look at that. That's right. The boy Swamp Bass got some skills. But yeah, these are them. This is the Drysuit Pro from Finntrail Waders, and these are the runner boots. These really do feel great. And man, I gotta say, I look really good in these too. Feel good. I could ride all day in these. This feels really nice. Got a lot of range of motion. If I could touch my toes, I would, but I can't. Not because of the waders, but because my stuff is a little big. But so that's all we got. All that. Whatever you want. But yeah, no, I like these. These are really nice. Finntrail Waders. Make sure y'all check them out.
Do a couple jumping jacks.
Oh, jumping?
Yeah, prove your point.
You gotta get the swamp bass?
You're having some trouble on the time up.
I know, I messed up. I don't know what the hell was going on there, but anyways, thanks again to Finntrail for sending these out. These things are magnificent. I haven't had a chance to check them out, but I'll be checking them out in a couple weeks.
It's starting to rain. If they want to come out here, we can switch positions.
It's starting to rain?
Yeah.
You do know that these waders are waterproof, right?
That's what I'm saying. Let's switch positions.
And look at this. See, it's got a little gasket around the neck to keep everything tight. So if you have a mask and everything, so I can go all the way.
Okay, then why don't you prove it and come out here so I can go under the shelter?
Oh, you really want me to? Oh, I don't want to get wet. Oh, the dog food there. These feel fantastic though. These really do fit like a glove. Very comfortably. I like them a lot. Make sure y'all get yourselves a pair. Let them know that Swamp Bass sent you, okay? Oh, who? Yeah, that's right. Can you see it? Is it folded over? My back fat?
Looks great.
Good? Looks real good?
Yeah, it looks great.
Can you tell who I am? Couple of miles away?
I mean, I can, but I don't know that your followers know you that personally.
Thanks again to Finntrail Waders for the awesome suit, the Drysuit Pro. Make sure you check them out on the website, finntrailwaders.com. This thing is like, I don't know how to express this to you, but these things feel super comfortable. And I know this little gasket right here, this little sleeve thing right here that keeps the water from going up your sleeves, that feels really tight and really nice.
Can I test them out doing dishes later?
Yes, I'm gonna try. Oh my God, I do make a mess doing dishes, so that'll be perfect doing the dishes. I usually can get it all over them. So. But no, seriously, check out Finntrail Waders. Get yourself a pair. You won't regret it. Well, I say that. I haven't tested them out in the water yet, but so far, just feeling these right here, just walking around my yard where they're in their natural habitat. Just kidding. But they feel really comfortable. I would never feel like I could walk around in my waders, and I feel really comfortable in these. Like surprisingly, like I feel like I'm enclosed. The only thing I notice is the gasket here, which is supposed to keep it tight, and this right here too. But that's it. Everything else, I feel like I'm just wearing a regular pair of clothes for the most part. It's nice. I really do like them. Thanks again, Finntrail. Y'all are awesome. I appreciate y'all sending this care package out for me, and I look forward to making some videos with this. All right. I think that's it. We're done, right? Is that it? Anything you got to add, JC?
Just that I stepped on so many snails during this video. You may want to re-record a couple bits if there's like the brutal crunching sound in the back.
What's going on, yo? Swamp Ass here in Finntrail waders. That's right. If you don't get you a pair of these, are you really riding? I mean, seriously, come on now.
They're riding dirty.
They're riding. You are riding dirty, actually. Yeah, that's a very. You're riding dirty if you ain't riding with Finntrail.
Do you want to do any like model strut and spin? Give us blue steel, Carlos.
What's that?
Give us blue steel. It's what the people want.
Blue steel. What's blue steel?
Oh my god. Wait, do the same poses that those models on your Instagram did. You're gonna have to unzip and put your titties out.
Damn it.
It's what the people want.
Oh, it's starting to rain out here a little bit. It's a good thing I'm in my Finntrail waders. My head's getting a little wet. Let me take care of that real quick. Done. So yes, out here in my Finntrail waders in the rain, giving them their first official test. And I can say that I am bone dry. What about you?
No.
You must not be wearing Finntrail waders, are you?
I'm not.
Ah. Probably wearing some other competitors. Well, it's okay. We can maybe get you a set of Finntrail waders. But again, thank you to Finntrail for sending these out. The suit is awesome. The boots feel super comfortable. This is the most comfortable I felt in riding gear in forever. I mean, besides wearing like freaking flip-flops and some shorts and a t-shirt, I guess. But I mean, I am really comfortable right now, and I am happy. I cannot wait for the next ride. Again, thank you, Finntrail. Make sure y'all check them out. If y'all want to get y'all a really nice set of waders, that's the place to go. And
Tell them Swamp Ass sent you.
yeah, make sure you let them know the Swamp Ass sent you. I mean, what the hell?
I would
thought
have
we
a
were
pair
buddies.
if I were professionals have them.
I thought we were buddies. How are you not going to tell them that Swamp Ass sent you? Let them know that Swamp Ass sent you. I mean, come on now. Just let them just help your boy out. I'm not making any money off of it. This is all I'm getting. I mean, I'm getting the suit and I got the shoes. But come on now. Just let them know that I sent you. What's the problem? What's the big deal? Is that too much? Is that too much, y'all? Do I look like I'm fooling myself with my name on my back? Because I am a little bit. You know what I mean? Just a little bit. You know. No, I love y'all. Make sure y'all really do get y'all a set of good waders if you need some from Finntrail. And what else we got? Is that everything?
I'd just like to say I'm happy you have clothes that match your tramp stamp now.
I never even thought of that. That is such a good point. Thank you. All right. We're going to roll that outro as I walk away into the sunset, into the rain. I'm not going to get wet because I'm in my Finntrail waders. So I feel great. I feel wonderful. Y'all have a beautiful day. Talk to y'all later.